Hello and welcome to Desiccated. The drink we are making today is called Radler in Malibu. To make this drink, we are using Malibu, which is a coconut flavored rum, along with peach syrup and this beautiful new product which has come in the market. It's called Radler by Kingfisher. It's a non-alcoholic fizzy malt drink, very easily available in your local grocery store, so you can get it in different flavors. The one I'm using is a lemon flavored Radler. Okay, so let's start with this drink. First, we're going to take our tall glass and take a slice of lime like this and rub it around the rim of the glass. Make sure you don't squeeze it so that it is not overflowing with juices. We just need enough so that it coats the rim of the glass, which can hold our garnish element. After that, we're going to take some desiccated coconut and make sure the area which is rubbed with lime touches the desiccated coconut so that it sticks to the glass like this. And then you can just give it a nice tap so that any amount of extra coconut just dusts off from the glass. And like that, you have a nice rimmed glass ready for making the drink. And then we're going to fill this glass with ice cubes. Now I like my drink loaded with ice cubes, so I'm going to fill it up till the top. If you don't like too much ice in your drink, you can use it to suit your preference. Then we're going to add 30 ml of Malibu rum. To this, we are going to add 20 ml of peach syrup. And then we are going to top it up with our lemon flavored Kingfisher Lemon. And there you have it, Radler in Malibu. And don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!